Premoto ahanye SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra. Ghana de Shimaima yemamu nyina ha awie ebraso. Se de SOMPA kasebo esomo kasebo yi efi SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra no. Enam ye headquarters wo Kumase. Eye SOMPA 93.1 FM Adam for Radio. Ewo Paris France Doma FM Doma Hinkro. Eye 100.7 in Kranza Menso no SOMPA 90.7. Techima ye SOMPA 106.1 FM Sunyana SOMPA eye 98.9 Kingdom Mankasim. Eye Kingdom 106.1 FM Kanesh Urban Radio ewo Kaneshi Market decoder so baby radio no eye SOMPA FM ye Facebook page no eye SOMPA 106.5 FM live SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra live now the live na so benya ye wo ho ena ye YouTube no so ye SOMPA FM live ye website no eye www.sompaonline.com endpoint homeopathy clinic premtobre kase bobre ena asono eho ye endpoint ema wo yare eye endpoint ema imubuo yare eye endpoint ema wabididie wo yare muntibra na ye show kasa natural mineral water budunsuo more than 90% na ye nipadua na ye nsuo na hajia special local food eno ensemo ye de esomo ewie die makotene no ebini
Arakosemu abeto dwa ene se nipa nsia ene nam akwanhia so ahwere wo monko mu beye duasan nan ne akire nso de wo maprepra wo mogya yehwe sa akwanhia yi ne nyina esif wo framantamu na wotwe awiye
Amfefe mantam so na arakosemu asie adan adwire agu amanipa mienu wo mo atenananom
ye betwetwe nkomo ediafa lawyer Adwoa Asare enkwanhia okohia no ho asem ene awiye
Ghana Education Service say wo moate abedwekuo bi said ye beya wo mbetimi ahye na eniema hodo a ekoso e wo senior high schools ahodo mu mpempi no a ye de gift ahodo ne ade emu cars no wo mbetimi ahye no wo mu asi ho kwan
Akodanwe school mi ancha na chade ye mu no anam Soma Institute for Education Studies wo mo de ato asoya ehwo manwomasuo hunsenso saade no wo mfom na asifom na tontwa
Acheche for hunsensam na National Executive Council de ma University Teachers Association of Ghana UTAC force omoma aban no bosumi nsie ne de toso aduasan ne ma sefata aban anye de a ene omudi omuni ma nyina begu fom
University of Energy and Natural Resources womo apa odwumadie bi hu entoma afi ya ne nyina no eba behye adesuafo enkuran ni tituru pa ewo abafu nimdie entity hu
sanso ana toyamantam soafo Yira Joseph Nelson so eba maneye sa galamse no so eka ho bi ana manensu yiri efa omanfo no
enipa beye dunum nso ena sa brei wo munya ba bi mfomu tinto efrise eja ekoto apartment bi mu ewo aboabo
Yedo bekwa santimantam no emu na beto dwa ese school dropout womu a womu ko school a womu ntumi wiru womu aka kwan finfin akosoro pa galamse ho nsensam so sara e na peja sara nso na mpasa so ne mpotam so adesuafo ene adetwerefo no womu ashoti
Amasia West mansene wo krachi anso de ato no manfo no wanimo so oman beto mpon a wonsom eka ho bi yenhwe se ebetuato
UK Prime Minister wa resign edi ho asem ne beba nsempi ka wenim ho ene edusum se premto kase body afi SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra ye ne edi kase boyi esum wawie eyeme die nyame yehira no AKOSUA ABOAGYE obetimi nso afrem AKOSUA nhira me adult children
AGYEIWAA ASARE enafi
AKOSUA AGYEIWAA ADWOA ASARE
Afe yetwa ensem no so ebede dis Ghana Police Service for akwachi private security guards for nsia bi nyina afa honorable lawyer Adwoa Asare nkwanhia bi wonya ye ewo kwabenya na nipa bi tutu ebo ne ka mudi nsem bebre na bankomodie ne de ekoso ne so asemi da police for pono so a wo muguso a eye nhwehwemu na ebepie mu se ebra wo mu ekopie ho no na owura bi a ye friend no Tamaklo Safo Jehoshaphat a ye ta friend akofena na sa abre no emperifo echiremu se no mu di dwumadie bi de afa ne ho ne ho ena sa wo hawo ne abenedie ne esi na yenko ahoma no so ne ni owura AKOSUA fori wo ye public relations officer the Christian Asafo Missions of Ghana na ye ne no entwetwe nkomopani mema wo aha eba SOMPA kase eboso na bibia bokọ de
nyame adumye kokoro
ye de nyame ase yo wadawruma ye nua ba Adwoa Asare ɛdeɛ na ɛsiiɛ yɛtete sɛ na asɔre hɔ yɛyi wɔ bi nsɛm na nenam social media no dɔɔso paa nanso so no yɛsɛ deɛ wɔba natɛn wɔ hɔ nanso deɛ ogyina hɔ no natɛn no ɛna ɛyɛ atɛnturodoo wadaworoma ɛdeɛ na ɛkɔɔ so ɛnora
I was a better one, Mother, a chief, or more SOMPA FM TV. And say a coyer, a DDA, and answer penny, a war, Christos of Mission of Garden. A guide in South Apostle Professor Emeritus, Codusa for and at Dubai. Now, and I'm say a nipa and new himself, if I am not some more, I can. More institution the bar, no. A council of elders singing and name now a map man or and share the sepatano monfa a no candy for no man. Madame Mominia Ba, ya way and yet the old apostle Dr. Kosa Fatia said she. And I said, the orphan was Japan yet said, net beer. We had the aspiring for AE now for about the deep name. And so, share constitution more. And my council of elders, but to me, say, or Mofa, it means I do man. And so I'm saying, we at the forefront now, so I'm sorry, and my people for you, when you start to hear this, I'm here at the call and Anna or Mutini, a say, on that person. But my you know, so council of elders chairman, I'll leave the two. Or say a unanimous decision is the and people who more consult and sorry money or make can be a woman and a mile moon in Tiamra Omoko deny now almost inside the general council. But my general council no at be about parliament. The old members of parliament, among the representatives of the people who work on people. The general council near also a general for the map branch, a year a software, and the map board, neck council, a whole war crystal of into Omudi Kai, for the not quite those of maybe there or no, and for a year. What are my in there? Bumping in the able to be possible. As a somewhere some pay. You will be separating and everywhere more. And you can in none of the pen was it. You will be a whole more. Said will you be a crumb to Janet? Until I heard you the pay. Night, yes, a day. I also cranching and a John the funny mom. It will be a president if our body say a car. And then done a phone in it, Papa Mano. And so not be pardoned with me. No thing I give me yet. Up there, and share. I do not go actually. Na ye na ya pon. Ye re ni say or na ye tons from the moment be kakra edi. And na ye say and so a cost. Na it to no and cost for no and in chim when you say. Honorable Adwoa Asare. Or a branch here you need to be a certain India. Honorable Adwoa Asare pay and anemia no. Into what I must over the did you know? There were nothing gate, there was south gate or home. Into or the card no be northern gate and the gate hinges and the Mukra cycle. South Pepper or back or a year. Southern Gate Home. Also, yes, I'm a pretty being. A property man more attention. It's bad, if you say not, I'm for putting could not so proof which the bus will be yes, I get a bit in the and bar a Japan, a part of Moto a war. In Chomonso, Emma, warning shot a hodor, but yeah, almost a case there, a gunshot F3 car. And they are baby, and also a shot. It will shot you. I will say a noble Adwoa Asare. Jai body shot. And when you understand the car, young can be ancient. The see you and actually who the social media to work again as they are brown bed and comedy with bread. But police are open for investigation.
Okay.
And they a ball can, and said the orchard said it's no above the media friendly. What practice social media so we should not said to our mentioned police but I'm away any day. Forensic investigation over one about to be
yo obenyo fori we de wada wurmo mi bisawo na wo ka se asori ne nhyehyeye mu no e wo ho se papa ne firi mu a bosome miensa pepepe esese yi ne nam sini eti asori no hyehyeye no e ye different from abusua de meboa
ne pa cho sa pepe
enti kan
na enye de odi ne busua ni enye de o fa papa no enye de o ba be one year as a bush, but rather Christopher leadership. No, the papa no share man. No, come my Miami. Inti wada masa ne me family no. And our council of elders association more point. A year of whom more back and they papa one. The area purely
yeah, and come na say ya sori ne hyehyeye mo constitution mo hyehyeye na mo gina so de ya se de papa no e de to ho ma mo na o kan say mo atwen a e koboso menso enti no e council of elders no ne mpanifo no e na mo si mo gina ye na yeti say asori ne mpanifo ne bi nso court injunction de beto sa ade na mo ba be ye no e yampa mo ti bibi sa se court de krata bi abramu
ni aba ko as of mission here, a story of shutdown. I think question down. And yet, papa, a day need to board their 4 minus minor high court, a survey, no crata, as well a high court. No credit, as a medical can't say, looking at you, won't be an pet. Into a 40 or 1 year more. Yeah, PK party, or yeah, media, but any and now today some no call high court there, or more a pinch at the actual or you are a new Jumedi aircon. What Jumedi no the fire not a year in there, or would you see Jumedi na you do not know. Now a year injunction. That the idea to make it live my young twasso in the moment I say, I said no about the dam. The high court catcher said, you could be 1 month over what I just know about the dam. Oh, my uncle in our watch. Now said, yes, the hospital come on the corpus. The idea is it was not money injunction to my young. Yes, sir.
Okay. What don't my him say a yasafo no dwumadie e different from say abusua ne ye omode de ba ne nim say papa no na safo no na busuafo ne titru ne manyina babi eti senka asori ne mpo sigina ye bisa na omo ye bibisa se ne bi ti se ne ba panyini adwo asafo ne ade se senka omu nyina wo ho bia na
wada ma dwumadie no enam se ya asori de medical kada se constitution ni mo a ma council of now Oma consulting Astoria Council, now Oma consulting National Executive Council, now Oma Jinaso, and you more editor. There's a cool and a council of elders no consortium, many of Monday. Now, so, and I'm saying, yeah, and pass with me, the war as a community. Oma consulting other bodies, including national leaders, or the regional leaders are come home. And no money be for one son or more. I may can be a not a money not come be no more comfort for one son or more arriving at in some deal we omone Apostle Dr. Producer for the ma na emo makunya eni omo inkomo ama brako plano se de ni ko bi so na omo bo mama dwumadi na ane ye du if aye kwa ha
na wo ka bibi se bre dwumadi ni kra no ma wie kra mo ba be serve adidie na adwo asafo fa em said not gate na chi eti mo kra na munim se security guards for no munim na wo ka bibi se muti tuo na so ono no krofo na di ka tutu ana
enu de free le pa ni mu ne bai nti I that nko ya na no ana ni de be de se meche
ka ni etuo ni free ni ka ni mu ne bai na ka no so mo ahu nipa dodo ana ewom anti na ho nso na wo kasa nipa tete wonti obi atutuo di a na ese security for no so we say wo mo so betutuo na eti a kire ansa na wo mu hu se eya wo ma hu se ya adwo asafo ka
bigini media there bi kire no mu hu ya so mu jai ta
anti ahyase ne di wo ma hu se ya adwo asafo na ayefa ho no opanyi ti se wo betimi asisu dua se moyi opanyini safo emeritus moyi ne nam sini awie
pepe meka de couple of other na dwuma me nya ne nche obi dwuma di ni se yesi fontu mo cyber ka ofrani bi asema ye ka yesi moyi ni say na ke kan fa adam say we na ba samaka ho ya kata so di da o se yam shebe ma no pe tamra me ka the system pin for no fm media so mu di ya ko ni mo kwan so mu ye bi and no ma ye afi no yi the incident na is yet entimi enchiji o mu difficult ya o mo
Somebody ya ye kakasebo ya tete se court issue se the course no yemfa ade yemfa ban bi anase tobena bi ntoso menim se what say krata bi free court abase dwumadie na course enura no omode omonsa to so a
wada ma ye ya court sermon ya entina me ye di kan yanu bi at the court processes na no see ho kwan so ya waso no ka ya
na wedi ansan na mekokora no asafo no mubeto na mobi se lawyer jo asafo da hospital mubekwa kohwe no na se wedi enka mudwumadi hu
sa pepe yes no you be for my yede na you mu bi eri hono mo so a eyefe ndi sabra mo no ka ye tu ho anabo o akọhwe se de
wedi me di chamukura na ebi mu kasa den na nka asafo no mantwen ama papa no yanye na yenwie na ne will no yankenkan bibia ne usa afedie will no die ne wom ne awie bibia ansa na nka bia anamoto bi se no enkamotu so obi busa sasem we a obeyi ano sei
abusia wadaruma o he papa no ta no de pai na ena yenya sa kuri ena dwumadi we adafa no munye we akaka afi ena papa ni to enso nyasa kristo afa ku bia ye bia ye bia ye knowledge for now yeah for show mo ye ta hu bia so for it was that papa am ne ya no madam ya so the bra bia ye de so ye yo kwa adwuma ekọ ye o da so ni kwinche yo ho ye de ntina bibia nsi e na ye di e o di ano as well and that's it yeah the old with oba be a certain name njati na bia ti ko ni for fair kwabe na bia also na oka edia we you be from the dino na good by you the befa
yo openyi yebeda CP say sompa kase bo akra ye frɛ wo ne atwetwe akire say yenti bibia se yebesan aba wona se bi yeda ase
that's a pie wa kwanya
yeda CP nyame nhyira wo so na wo nhyira Kristo asafo missions nso yeda ase yo owura kwasi ofori eye public relations officer de ma Kristo asafo mission of Ghana on ye ne na twetwe nkomo e de afa asɛm a ba ye efa lawyer adwoa asafo tu a e kan no akyekye mu de esi ye nyina se asafo no omo di wo mo ho na busua enso di wo mo ho na papa no ansa na wo bewuo no asafo no hyehye na mra to ho se mi wu a me mama ma no munyimu baako council of elders mo ne neck for mo ntrase na mo nhwehwem na mo ade mo pɛ no na mo ahwɛ na mo by popular acclamation na mo akwakoyi ɛna o magina so na o maye ɛna o mayi o se ade no kɔ ka sɛ bosomi miensa se kɔ bosomi nso papa ne wuye no wo munya Kristo asafo nti we no ɛnya abusua asɛm asafo no mission ne de ne ho ɛna abusua nso de ne ho mu hia se be read well awie eti mission no adi wo mo hyehyɛ so pɛpɛpɛ to mo de o maye nekefo agye atum yayi safo sɛ safo na agya ɔno ɛna enkoto so Jehoshaphat na ne sɛ o mu gusu a edi o mu ju o kra de o masi na wie ɛde pada sɛ me na be para agugu ne ho a ɛte wo mu didie ɛsɛ ka bia pia ba pa di mayawo na bodyguards no so omo ho no security guards no mo nim sɛ lawyer adwoa asafo ka na omo so matuo so di mayawo di makum di mayikun di etieche no mo sɛ lawyer adwoa asafo we nka ka den ko mo hu ne ntam dia enka di mayawo ni di makum ka yakuno anka ye betin ka yante asempa etieche no omo kura hu sɛ lawyer adwoa asafo asem yo masom ya yedidi hu nkobetiete fo asem ye di akire so mpaka se bo wonim sɛ wo de yɛn ana ade asem ye bedi akire kama na etimi aboa ama enema nyina etimi akoso kama eti yenko ye nimu ani emfa de aka nyina ento asoma mo
abusia ye toa ensem no eso na rehosem a eno nso abeto dwane se nipa ensia ene nam akwanhia so ahwere wo nkwa na wotwe wie ye nura kwasi ada ewo framantam ani akwanhia no beye miensa kone na so no ane nko a ye locations ahodoɔ different ena sa akwanhia no esiye enko wiase nipa nsia ena wo mato nanom wonsie do na de di kan no wo mo kire se todo me kwan no so ufri peve wo mo fa voter region kwan no so de bebia mi kan wo mu ni mu free pekia na chese wani kire peve kwan no so ho na sa arekosem no esiye eka eastern corridor roads ne ho ewo south diamond no emu na odum dadwumakuo ye wo peki ne efre wo mo se arekosem bi esi be yedum ye no abapa ho se ma adu no mu miensa ena wo mo frɛ wo mo na ne wo mo se wo makutrument ne ade wo mo call ye ne station officer yera Richard Amenyogbali wono ne di dom no animu a ene esimadu ntam no makodru accident scene ho emfonyin ne bi ne de agu Facebook na busua ene enyan na de di kan no na eye man diesel ehyen ebia efri tema ekotamale ena afa Toyota Camry bi ye no so efri nkwanta na ni kiremu ewo enkran ena wo mo de kɔbɔ ani saa ehyen no enipa enum ewo ehyen mu no ya ma obaba ko mema enan wo mo de yensatimi so wo mu ma yede wo mo ekɔ ayaresa bia bi mu so eprapraye ena de toso mienu no ye metro mass ehyen bi no so free enkran ekɔ dambai a passenger fo aduro no nwɔtwe 28 ena na etimuo enko wiase no wo mutimi eyi bi a emema dunson ena ema nso enson eka ho a wo mu nyina peki government hospital ɛhɔ ene yede wo mu kopie yesa wo mu nkɔkɔgye ayarehwɛ ena de etwato no nko a eno nso wo mo kyerɛ sɛ ho ena ɛhɔ nso arehosem no esiye na odum jadwumako na no ade wo nya adwuma ye power framantem ho anya asem ketwa enko wiase enipa ensia de kanana na wo mo anka agyi enti nipa duasan nan no a wo mo so aprepra no wo mo egu ayaresabea ya mpanifo ehwe wo mo na bambofo e de adesrede eto ahyenkafo ne tituru pa ni mu se sa brei ensu ototɔ ekwan mu nye mirikantenten e wo yakwa so no enya de se eboa kora overtaking ya wunhu wani mu na overtaking no eno so nkebe ya wo monte so sensuo tokora na abehwe na nsuo na no oden boro so apake car ni si baabi ema ensuo no entete mra fom kakra wo driver ni no betimi ehunu wani mu no watu ehyen no ede afam na niba bi atiti say de ya na ensu to bre ti semu ye tete nima bi ekoso no a ya na ehadwene pa enti wo matufo enna a passenger fo no so obi ho no mkora driver ni ne tika ni mu na wo no twi ne hyen no no wo de o driver na de na wo kosulo sa na sa kwan na de nam so de ne be si ma ahia ansa ne ebedu titu pa no wo mo a wo mo call long journeys no wo mutimi ma hyenkafo no pressure pa wo matufo se sa ne ma no nyina no emmoa enti ye kwa anim no ensuo toto ya kwan so ese ya hwe ye se de be ya nkwanhia bi etise no ye ntai entity bi
na efe senso sha se toto ewo my kan mu no yade atom judgment ko won modwuma ashopa na wo mo na ma wo mo ninkangu so sanse anan kwanhia de ba che yeso obi dan adwire gum ade ba che yeso nsuo yire no afa wo bifofra ma dum judgment ko ewo se wo mkoye bi edeboa na wade wono ene jagya no ye no ewo Cape Coast emfimfim mantemu wo manfo no kire mu na ese pie baako ena ebua gumu na no wada anam so ama wo manfo a na wo mo sa dan mu die enipa mienu ena wo mo afiri mu na abradum judgment ko ekokodru ye ya wonum eye nhwemu no GO3 Ebenezer Fifi dazi wano aye deputy PRO Adema Central Regional Fire Service wano ananesem chofo ekasa ya manboni Eric Anan watching bi edbring say
na Ghana National Fire Service yenya na nti de edan bi a owo bro ne bi o Cape Coast ha wo fe ogegya no ebu ma nyimpa baya anan bi waka edan mu na yetse da masami andado yamaye na officers wo Metro Fire Station na regional headquarters de won konkoyi epraf no hwi edan center most mabaya asamboni biara onsi ampa yedu wono officers ni yedumazen ma oyi wana na waka edana sana na waye anan a oye benyi no kwer na mbesafu ibasa no woni wonfi wo ma ambulance service fuma woni wonko ewim aya sabia de wonko na wonkoji aya hwe na unfortunately ye edwuma ni nyawe ya ye follow up no na ochadanyi pa na woni wonko wada wonkoji aya hwe no ebien wonzenye Anastasia Abaka when you're 12 years na adwobe do over 40 years neze
infimantemu Aurora DO3 Ebenezer Fifi dazi one deputy PRO Adema Central Regional Fire Service
ye ka mo sa sompa ka se bona wutie fi sompa 106.5 FM across se asem da paso a obi a twe na basa ne sre lawyer Adwoa Asafo ne video ne pictures ya ene nam social media ne ade fa tututu obi e ko so na ye ko homa no so ne owura e wo san ye mranim ni awie o se beti fo mo fancheme opanyi said Kofi Kisi our personal assistant edema former Domiko Benyamra Shebedwani honorable lawyer Sarah Adwoa Asafo na yene no atwetwe nkomo ede afa opani memwa ha eba sompa kase eboso
mejo sunya
ye danse wonda wuruma enura edie ne si ya ekowie ye se ye maame lawyer honorable Adwoa Asafo etu okokan ni edie ne si ye pote wada wuruma
ndafo meni check se mama wo tie phone na ya da obaade so ase and now papa between 7:15 and 7:45 from command be no die na anapano o the political manager IF Dr. AGYEIWAA ADWOA ASARE no friend me no say ankani ni akodo safo esi ni ho ohene ewo ma sorry nim ewo awoshi the son say police injunction on tino police mama ya dey what injunction police mama ya kwai anya ho na wonya information say wadare ne ho be yes program no ewo di fia ewo kwabenya etimembo atomic police commander mane apapa nya nya pa the police amane e ma mo so friends some of the men air grounds Consider Dr. Martin friend back to say Adwoa to me shall atomic down. Now you go feel together. Shall Dr. Martin feel like so number chair. No never was Adwoa phone air friendly. Me pick it up or say Mr. Kisi, oh away, no spoon, no around. Or say about to that what to say. Or say about to be back to the police station. Umia, I can be asked home. Then the two cars get could at the police. We see a police demo. No one ja. It's not true. The police were taking details here and I was in the court. Don't know what to be honorable. No one to me share not a man say, or so, me no one can have it down. No, if I want to be doing about someone you or not you. men kono udu a obefrede na o approach fio uzo ko bia fio kutaka na wa say to the house okwa definitely uru ni meshe gate no na ono so on drive wa they are the possibility of not on drive the fear that you know not the media or the gap with the head level now that's the place here also if you are put fio no so because the fire on no fire and that is two issue can the two issue you know but actually I am back seat the biasabi obitoka no also a big man will be driving up about 20 penetrations the fast glass meaning that there was a target definitely be there driving it one or two and so all no no the kind was the challenge technica also black and black simple thing the corner of Felix and for calling no aka basa guy that we na yen kind of power because me I don't know what to say o ma sorry no oba 18 years of old and oba 18 years to go ahead it went there papa no sama see no directives you either who to appoint or how to go by it it's all put the one who here it's bullet to the core car and say no you ten that's what you ten say now the driver side they make you a bullet in the feedback and what you need that can sorry if you come in charge you didn't do hospital in fact we have been sending fair videos to social media. We did a tickle of an eye, I said, as the president of the land. I did really for a support to say, Imar the Ukuma, Ghana Funda. In fact, they do an attempt and a diet of CID, or the men and women, they do. They say politicians here and there, Obia, Obia, the and also, police will do you are, Nipano, Onifio. Meanwhile, I'm not going to feel a program with you. And the second of few to the one they are under the Bob Amakodu. So it's either they were giving direct instruction or it is well orchestrated planting either one.
Nese na wate se ade no a yesi mane maso no koso no so wo na wakɔhwɛ
say you find me juma and I would be an say they are the baba to be so way doesn't go for it it's not easy you know I don't that simple life that is how she is one for driver no not driver call now you don't see the car I come move driver no I don't know
it's one no na take car ni
she cannot I don't want to drive a car masa or don't be the call and come back to the check but this time I can afford 1 week. Because we'll be driving now, or better for sitting in the cheek as a boss. So the question is, what do those penetrations at that particular window? That was the question. And you can't see what is shooting that place alone? About 14, 17 to 20 penetrations. Carry your police station. And visible. Who knows station to a police station? And 5 seconds. Go and have a look at what you're doing. Now the question is, why do you have to leave the house? So would you go for Chia? Who bear the but I just small issue that made no kind of
say ne ho te say
oh ya ko pada Roma the way you pa na pay me no can say and so about 8 o'clock ya ma to start we did 2 safi and my yo kwan wa dum koko dabi
watimi edi TZ
o di TZ ti ya ma o ya refo na ya ma koko adum aha wa ya refo ya koko
eti nkrofo omo yam hyehye wo mo no nkrofo no omo yam hyehye wo mo no obi anka na koma nto ne yam
obi ya yam hyehye bia obi anka na koma nto ne yam o ya ko pe de dan no o ya pe de dan no wo ana pe mi ti wa dum koko di 2 safi awode wo pa
asembe na wodi be chatwo de ama lawyer Adwoa Asafo nipa omo do no penasem na asemi baaye wo mo wura ho wo mo tete ne ade wose me chatwo a wodi be ma omo nsa na meja ho
Adwoa Asafo adofo nya so bia kan akoma tuni him Adwoa Asafo she is not fighting for property and properties all Matia say no pamba adoso no patia no omamotia say apart from na same ba or ma bebre a wa adopt to do maka mo hu a o ye ne ma e te kasa protocol da fo ma o me thousands na the will be aso bia what for definitely I want a willing if you go ya dom to be na next month e get for you lawyer for court o mai mu emra o mai dum and the social media so bu you make a will e go bia we be e da adwo is the time to flow with media no 24/7 and if you dey have one tika adwo safo or your batten or do na do ina na person dey make science na oko na me abring na me kasa do kan se kisi e mo di brade eti na do fu ina ya wishi mi se adwo on pray japade wo on pray shi wo na yi e no pese to yi na go posto abon wo bai.
Okay, any enyamia ya duma no pe watimi edi toza feed na wasa ayoyo nkwan wasa ahwe agusuo yi wama ye ahotoso se ne ho ye na yem hihye na no odin eti de se de wo ka be free mu aba bia no ye beba ne asane wa betwetwe nkomo ye da se pi
afdo radio
ye da se etiefo ye no reset Kofi Kisi a wo ye personal assistant Emma former domi kwabenya mrahye bedwani honorable lawyer Sarah Adwoasafo ene na twetwe nkoma wo so anopa ekura de wadi tozafi TZ diehuo kumase yebeka ne diehuo wabo diehuo ni ayoyo agusu ama waye fan wonye yarefo no anum koko onye yarefo ene anum koko wadi TZ pa wadi wa maye kura ye konwado enya eyi diehuo yi bia ke awie kasebo na diehuo bia nkrumai ni ade ne ayoyo yi ene green yi gusuo ene yemade eka ho na wele eyi kahuro kumasi ne yede wele ni yede bia gugusu a yemade kama etrobe no no akosuo bi nso de atoso ene enka wie de enka be fan kra wo di crate ma no fohyehe nufusuo no wo timi ma oba nufusuo bebre no fine ni nyina ka ho kama pa nti no ye be koso a na lawyer Adwoasafo didi ehuo dia ne esi esuso esi epebidie na mom mamefa yenko nsafoforo so osofo hyagumasuya so ye ono abo Haruna Idrusu wo se chese ye kuro mu hade wo ho na bibia betwam mu ma ye nwene ye ho amanga o my Ghana ye nwene ye ho na anu yenkohwe nkora bia wie senior high school ya results ne kora mayo emie hu sa kora be FF ana EE ana CC ana BB ana se AA yesi akoda na wie exams keke ni etu sikegu akoda yiso ni etu sikegu akoda yiso obi kro de car eko school mu ho de koma ne ba se wa wie SS wa ya ade esi wa wie enti education ministry ti am say he ne ha Ghana ha na so first ni wie school na ya shekente ni ya twitwa pictures ya wie na ne de bebia mu de duro ni da bi ya twam sa de no sa wo se wo ba awie school wo be se otoka ama no wo be se o ma ne dollars ya ko fie ne koye emo obi anye ne school bia mu da say ye private say ye public ye nsososo ye private school ye public school education minister say ye twam sa display of worth excessive display of worth wo school premises ne ye twam ontimi nsi wo kwan say wo ba awie school na say wo pese wo to Lamborghini mana etwie enye nasem na mo menye na wo school mu se wo ba wie school na so ko tuto Gucci bags na e de dia ba enye school mu ho ko na fa koma na wo fie ana akopɛ event center bi na koye na efra adwoa asare no ma MC ma wo kama na wa hand over ba se school premises pa de Honorable Haruna Idrusu se Ghana sa de we de yenso so da biara da.
The developments on our school environment is a no, and the Director General of the GS has my firm instruction to deal ruthlessly with this development so that we nip it early as a country. The school environment is an environment for academic competition, nothing more. The extravagant, lavish display of wealth is utterly unacceptable, and we would not tolerate nor accommodate that going forward. But it covers all schools in Ghana, and we cannot allow this culture to be part of the development of Ghanaian learners.
Sadie we die yentimi nsa amfa meka Ghana ngomasua ho. Sa wo se wo ba wie senior high school na no ankora yiwe wase ya. Ye twɛn hu results yi de bekoyi. Wo se makɔ school mu ho akoma ne car. Makɔ hwiehwie sika de egu ne so. Akɔyɛ ye ne ma da bi. School premises de sadie ne de. Education Minister Honorable Haruna Idris say wo mu etwam.
Na education ministry no womo de ne ba epe na Ghana Education Service GS fo nso ese womo so de womo de beta to san se graduation ne kura de ye te ye kura de SHS de da ben womo share graduation asese ye se obi atro wase awie nti no wo ye graduation se graduation ne sane tra ba besi KG fo so ene wo ma me kura wo pe wo bi owu ni bio ese okope graduation gown ehun nuane ehun sika wo mutua eyade bi ekoso we schools ahodo free basic kosiri senior high school ya na anokra de wo maye na ditwamu yi enu nti GS fo se we no wo mo hyeda ete abedwaku a wo mo no ba betena se no wo ma review sa celebrations na ye ewo ye schools ahodo no emu no ne nyina ye se niam bi ete se ne ya hwe ho asem anka ne ni ete ho de o enye hwe ye ni betino na di anibre boni bi sanse we school for no wo mo e de ka beche wo mo e ma wo mo bouquet wo mo ye to designer bags ne ntade ne ade a de ma wo mo no wo so wo mo namfofo no gina chire no wo ye wow behind sa wow ni nyina ye anibre jealousy sanse obi kura betimi akofie kwakobisa ne maame an ena we school no ne maame to we ma na de na me de mo anya bia maame nti e de ade bi ebe hye nkoda na dodo no adwene mu so wanya koda bia wono no wo strong headed person bia obetimi ehunu se da bi de me maame wonie enti de obeye bia no mani so a eya na de wo haw bebre no a eba nkoda no wo mo asetena mu na director general ya oda GS ano Professor Ernest Kofi Davis wa friends emtwofo nhia mu akyerɛkyerɛ committee ya wo mo ba beti adwuma sonko a wo mo ba beye.
A committee will be formed to review all celebrations on school premise, including speech and prize-giving days, and come out with guidelines to ensure standardization. This will help address challenges associated with some of these celebrations. In summary, the rationale for this directive is to tell parent guardians and all Ghanaians for that matter that excessive show-off is not the kind of value GES want to project and prioritize amongst. We expect strict enforcement by school authority.
Enwachi ena Professor Edia Resrede to awofo ene abatan nyina animusa da woroma enhihye ya wo mede abai wo mbesrese wo monhwe no wo mu ni so wo mpese wo mbese wo na aso wanya osika aboro so tamo a wo mu de wo mu nsi wo kwan se wo pese wo che wo ba de a wo beche na de na emum se wo ba baye ni wo school horoma ma obi ani abebre na ne nam social media de wo ba atan kro no enya de se committee no wo mbepene amani mabisa akoso.
Expect to comply with this direct and make sure that they do not break the old practice of modest celebration. I wish to use this platform to call on all stakeholders, that is teachers, parents and guardians, school authorities, traditional authorities, and our friends from the media and the general public to support our effort to discourage and stop this.
We a penny kwanchirefo woda GS ano Professor Ernest Kofi Davis.
Na I was also koya one on so ama Institute for Energy studies and also education studies mum womo de ato asoye show my Ghana ngomesua wonsem so se adaworoma sa hyehyɛ yi a won pese won mo de baate ho committee kurasa ne be ya won be brasa de no a ekoso senior high schools ahodo mu no womo wase won de mra no ebe ya adwuma yi na nkonko ye so sikani ba de be favor na emum sabio ya ye ni bie no de ekokɔ ye ya no ya so yensa ekoba no sa de be ha adwene pa na emum so mo de mo mra no ye adwuma na hyehyɛ ni dimu di a ene obi ya ho ka wo nia ho emra no ene ne ubedi na panyipa yo kasa ademakuo yi Dr. Peter Anti wano ana ne semshofo edi nkomosi.
what the managers of education need to do is that they just assess 1 or 2 examples. If you are a school authority, I mean you are head or assistant head in a school, and this is allowed to happen in your school, and there is no evidence to show that you tried to stop it or you prevented it, you should face the consequence. So if you're able to get 1 or 2 people to set as example, everybody will fall in line. Again, I think that the ministry should go a step further and then encourage school authorities to let this be discussed during PTA meetings. It should be communicated to them like they normally communicate information through their various platforms.
I was your Institute for Education Studies, or Panipa, Yawa Executive Director, Dr. Peter Anti.
Yada so Mumasium Sansem, the National Executive Council, NECFO, Edema University Teachers Association of Ghana, Utah Force or Massamuni, Wamma bind the Busumisi and the Toswa Diasa. Ye were outstanding conditions of service, no welfare concerns, Ibia. Woman is our concern at was and concerning a bind. Nankadia concerning woman concerning a bind there. Any about Betty be here, now was swahe. One more sitting ye dear. Oma ka ho asem achechire mu niema wo mu de nyina to oban ni maban se beti nko mo beti menka mebo na ekosa nti wo mu said aban ne da bia op deadline eti wo ma ne deadline e bre twa to bre ne so a wo mu de wo mu niema nyina twerɛdua ne nkrata nyina begu fom wo mu koye wo mu meeting na so mu nhye mo kese ewo University of Health and Allied Sciences ewo ho na council no esisi aginaye no eti wo mu de atompanifo anim san hye bia e fa ho a egu akwan mu esesa aban no epene so no wo mpene so sesi a ansa na strike bi aba ebi eti say online teaching support allowance no for research fellows and academic librarians no enu besi na yentuai and na salary arrears bi wo ho akatua bi ebi akamo University of Media Arts and Communication wo mo so de ne the promotion arrears nso da ho nti arrears ne de bebre aban tuai a e de ahokire abre wo mo and na ye free bi salary adjustment agreement eno nso aban ye na dwene say akatua no wo mo behwe no ma ye ho adwuma no wa hyehye na aboa na wo mo nte ho asem de a ene abusumi nsian aka akra bi akato na bro no wawu wo ma ante aban kade a ene ono ankasa obeti bi ahua
Yedaswa ewo humasua ensemu University of Energy and Natural Resources UNEFO and woma pa we ye de toso enum a eye UNETech Fair 2026 hontoma nyina no eba be hye adesuafo den tichiru pa ewo abefo nimde entity ho na womu echire mu se we nyina no eba beboa se de ebe ya aban 24-hour economy hye ya womu de beyi ebetimi aso asene na kwa akoro ebetimi aso asene ne de eno na mpanifo ede ehu nchiremu ebeba na dwumadie no ekwawiye ewo sunyan no Professor Peter Apiahene ya wo ye convener eda UNETech Fair 2026 ya no woni yama ne boni na najema no pambo etwetwe nkomo kirechiremu enema hodo bi a wo mo hwe animu ewo sa fair no ase.
Yes, Shasia Afe 2021. Na Fibiano program no enyini ekonenim. Afuwe de no de man ye sonkone se team na ye de ama no eye code around the clock. Ye training ye youth no se be ya o mampan eni swade hunu se obe create 24-hour economy ama Ghana no. Ye nso ye be support because ye mu bi de ye nim se 24-hour economy no ye possible de be ye nso so a enya technology a ebetimi amana ye ebetima ye adwuma ye. Enu ti na afuwe no ye team na ye de atoso no ye se 24-hour economy no. Ye training youth no ye chwo mu coding. So afuwe no mampanyi we na nkasa nso esade code 1 million codes na ba nti u train 1 million codes no na asade omudu udo mu ko support 24-hour economy no nti eye two policies a final de aba na yenso ya kambo ye de train ye youth no ye train no mu 1 million codes no mu de ko support 24-hour economy nti train no mu coding 24 hours that is code around the clock no mu de ko support 24-hour economy afuwe de no eye sonko ye nyina be atum se technology na ba na ye adwuma nso
enwachi ena Professor de tu just say we no Department of Information Technology and Decision Sciences ewo UNEHO womo ena esi womo sere so dendenden na ade ba ko a wombe mana aye adwuma ewo fe no ase eye artificial intelligence AI wombe hye yusu ni ye pasan se ne technology adwuma biye ni ho no mo a research se de womo ba be ya womo ebeyi AI no afrimu eno so sei eno wo kan no
I any etna. Said them di kan no. Last week me call London. Say wo hwe dwumadi a AI e wo wiase a eyesonko. AI na ba ye Ghana no yentimi koka se yentimi emfa ni dwuma. Yo sua de ye wo kira de ye o ye interview. Yo ye media dwuma. Yo ye bank dwuma. Yo analyze data. obi oye fompo nimdia fo no opa behia AI nti AI ne de aba na ba ne abetena me ogidie se me kasa no me kan BBC so se na me adoma Friday me de me make strong statement na me justify the nti a yemma yenyusu AI mfensua de yemfa nkyira de nso wo Ghana han because abrofo no eyusu omu yusu ne kase pa.
Ene ya yekotie yeyi eye Professor Peter Apiahene wono na ye convener Emma United Fair 2026 saranso ena ye head of department ewo information technology and decision sciences ewo une honomwa.
Meka wo se sompa kase bo na wutie fi sompa 106.5 FM Accra. Endpoint homeopathy clinic endpoint ema wo yare endpoint ema wo binidie endpoint ema wo stroke no endpoint ema awo no a ye di twa wo mpo no endpoint ema wo kidney ene wo liver mu ohaw endpoint ede ma wo nompe mu aye mre endpoint ema premature ejaculation endpoint ema low sperm count endpoint entibra na udru endpoint homeopathy clinic fa homeopathy so ede ayeresa papa emu do na emu koyie ye de aboawo yare ma nipa ye mobo yare ma woto ba ha yare ma watamfo nya wonti wo kumase a kronoma bo ahia e wo kumase e ho ne wo e na wo nkran so a shell signboard spinters kwan so e ho na endpoint homeopathy clinic e wo physiotherapy ne massage nyina wo ho e na tema community 22 so ba ko ho ne mom simple e no nsa wo befre 0244 867068 0244 867068 and 0274234321 0274234321 dear Diana Papa no nya kwatenten hajia special local food nie ekwan so atomic ekwan so hono a ebi mu friend hacho kwan ni nyina ye edu dia hacho kwan so hono a ewa na wo behu ba bia transition ewo no washing bake ase no sane kwa ase ho ena wo ko DVLA enkrabate na ekwa shoma ya ase ho no so ba ko ho eho nyina hajia special local food eduane papa obenya nkwan ene mutuo abenkwan wurawura bunabunu enkatenkwan ni nyina bi wo ho a enya asem ketwa dokono fried rice ni tilapia ni eduane bia ebi o hajia special local food wo ye eduane fra no pa no wo chikosi enumre no wo twa pa ho sema edu wo twe TikTok ni Facebook nyina wonya bo hajia special local food so pe na wodam ma delivery guy ni nya busy awie 02 friend no fa eduane ni bi mrew me ha wo kon adomutu ene die huo na me kai ni TZ ne frɛ no mo order bi ne fa TZ papa green eguso 0246359921 0246359921 hajia special local food eduane papa fie ensu amede ma wo eye kasa natural mineral water CASA kasa natural mineral water no sa wo ye party wo ye wedding wo ye yie wo pe dispensers e dey su office now dey serve wo ho a eye kasa natural mineral water bottled water nie sachet water nie dispensers nie ni nyina ye kasa natural mineral water ensu krogen kasa Loma Ventures for adawroma ene de abeboa enti wo hwehwe wo mo Taifa Accra kasa natural mineral water refreshing nie enti Bok Hospital echi ho na na abehu wo mo e wo Taifa frɛ 0206469430 eye 0206469430 na wodem so mpaka sebo na wuti efi so mpa 106.5 FM Accra ya home so ye ba ye beto so 21st clinic aye sciatica expert sciatica no wo nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu wo to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bi a enye na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo ma je ne wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa wo mu je international awards ahodo wo mu je local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bi a je 21st clinic nkwa wo mu de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a wo magidi wo mu pa no sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho enkran ha sese ye wo Tantra Hill runabout se wo free enkran ba ye wo wonsa ni fa so wo fra masaman so na ba nso a wonsa bonkum so ho na wo behu ye 0540311311 0540311311 There's a 21st clinic. Still, woman is sciatica expert.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was SOMPA First Service. I was SOMPA TV, SOMPA Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Albert Sakikwambo
Onyankopɔn di fa wasra no ewiye brim enam ne nsa so ama Onyankopɔn we ya honwade pi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We ne butai teacher SOMPA First Service ewo homayen enye TV program keke eye bra osro ne asasi hia eye bra Onyankopɔn kasa kyerɛ ne mba.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
Ma SOMPA First Service entwa wo ho hoda eye dwada kusi efiada anopa no num kusi anopa no nsie. Fa woda nyina share radins na erade beye.
TV Emma Aketiapa.
Emma Aketiapa ampa busuan yeda mo sese mo anya bre atwen ya me adane ye ho akwaba ye kowie kase no tewu ewo UK mine emu na yenka bi nhye mu anope ye sore ya na yete se UK Prime Minister Sir Keir Starmer wa resign leader of Labour Party ni sesi a wasi adwuma no won na anye bi mesan ne pressure womo edifra manyuko no leadership no ema no efa generation next general election a eba bekoso no na wochire mu ese enadwo ya no pei ena wode na no di nsam nyina ekoto dwaso watete nkoma hodo ya efri amanyuko no mu ba ebise aso adwuma na wo ye no wobetimi ato aso ana se wontimi nto aso watietie de parliamentarians ne so eka na de wono kura bidi kan yi ne ho adi ansa na obi kura aba ma ne sa pressure no enti wono ankasa de beto se wakobo King Charles ya wotoso miensa amane agina ya wasie one His Royal Majesty edi nkomo anopeya se adwuma no won nanto aso enti sese no wo mo hwe anim se enkoduru se next general election no ebekoso no na yeyi prime minister foforo ya wono nso eba behwe na wo matimi atoto niam ama adwuma na wo mo ye no bibia etimi akonkan enti wo hwe history no a ekoso no dia na che se 10 years mu entamu nie no Prime Minister se beye enson na se afi bia na nya bi kura ta na ye 1.5 years na wo manya foforo yenkotie ensamo a Keir Starmer editu dwa no pay.
The question my party is asking now is whether I am best placed to lead us into the next general election. I have heard the answer of my parliamentary party to that question, and I accept that answer with good grace. Every decision I've taken has been about putting the country I love.
Enti wei UK Prime Minister ya sisi a wa resign Keir Starmer ena yete se wode ne nsem atudwane no so na yegina ensem ahodo a ewie ye de besomo e wo SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra sepem to brekase bo na ye ne affiliate ahodo SOMPA Kumase Techiman enkranza sunyan babibia ye de somo Kingdom 106.1 e wo mfimfim mantemu mankesi ngwo mo fa bidoma 100.7 enso FB e wo doma hinkru ye de nyina esi amamo wontimi ankan ho na akoye Facebook ni YouTube pages no so a obetimi ehunu ye na watie kase bo ni bi www.sompaonline.com okwa ubetumi anya bi na wakenkan midin ede AGYEIWAA ASARE ewiei mene
AKOSUA AGYEIWAA ADWOA ASARE ena
AKOSUA ABOAGYE ubetimi afremi AKOSUA nhyira anade nyame yehira no yesori sui na SOMPA Accra de SOMPA Delight with Abna Ruthi na SOMPA nkomo promas Kumase na ya se wa na wono atena se na Kumase asante mantamu de wo bia se SOMPA nkomo promas SOMPA nkomo